Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Freedom24. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Freedom24 website if you have not already by going to freedom24.com, and it's going to open up this homepage. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store, search for Freedom24, find it, install it and open it up, and it's going to go exactly the same. The process is the same, doesn't matter if you're using the application or the web version, we can get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we need to do. So basically guys, what you're going to do first is going to log into your account. If you do not already have an account, you're going to have the sign up option right here that's going to enable you to sign in for an account that you're going to need to be able to buy stocks. And once you've done so, you are going to go and be able to access the services right here where you can go ahead and find the stocks and ETFs option. From stocks and ETFs, you're going to go and be able to trade securities on major US, European and Asian stock exchanges, and this is from where we can get started with accessing NVIDIA. As you can see, it's going to take you to a trading account option that you need to go ahead and have. So basically you're going to log in. Once you log in, this page is going to look completely different. You're going to go and be able to access all the charts and all the stock options from where you're going to go ahead and be able to find NVIDIA stocks and so on that you can get started buying, getting into and adding to your portfolio, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.